In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit text in Canva. To get started, open your Canva design so you're on the canvas where you want to place your text. This can be any type of project, like a social media post, presentation, flyer, or thumbnail. Once your design is open, take a look at the left-hand panel. This is where Canva keeps many of the tools you'll use to build and customize your design. From that left side panel, click on Text. When you open the text section, you'll see a few different options. You can choose Add a text box if you want to insert a simple, standard text element that you can fully customize yourself. You may also see a variety of text styles or preset combinations. These can be useful if you want a more polished look right away without having to build the styling from scratch. After selecting Add a text box or choosing a text style, a text element will appear in your design. Click into the text box and type the words you want to include. Once your text is entered, you can begin customizing it to match the look and feel of your design. Use the toolbar to adjust the font, change the size, pick a different color, and set the alignment. These options help you control how your message appears and make sure it fits the overall style of your project. As you make these changes, try to think about readability as well as appearance. For example, a larger font size may work better for headings, while smaller text can be useful for supporting details. Color and alignment can also make a big difference in how balanced and professional the final design feels. When your text looks the way you want, click and drag the text box to position it anywhere on the canvas. This makes it easy to place your text near images, center it on the page, or move it into a layout that feels more visually organized. If needed, you can always drag it again and fine-tune the placement. There's also a quick shortcut that can save you time. Instead of opening the text panel first, you can simply press the T key on your keyboard, and Canva will automatically add a new text box to your design. This is especially helpful if you already know you just need a basic text box and want to work faster. And that's how to add and edit text in Canva.